welcome to day number 13. Lucky number 13. So I know what's going to happen today. Mama Badger's going to be out here working in her yard because they came by and cleaned everything up. You hear me coughing because I swallowed a bug coming down the road, and I think it's still in there somewhere. So I'm trying to get rid of it. This morning was a tough morning. I literally got up, normal time, came out here and stood in my driveway for probably 15-20 minutes going, I don't want to do this. What's it really gonna hurt if I skip a day? Been doing this for like 30 some days straight. It's a big deal if I skip a day of exercise. But I went ahead and did it. I started off with my new routine yesterday, which is basically a half a mile walk run and then a 6 mile bike ride. So I did it again today. The last 6.10, the last street headed to the house was pretty much pure torture. Just was not feeling it today. Hopefully tomorrow will be better, but I'm just gonna keep pushing. There are days when you're not gonna wanna do it, but the only way to get to your goal is to keep doing it. So anyway, let's get day 13 kicked off. It's coffee, shower, and then I get to come out in the garage and start working on Mama Badger's bike. It needs fork seals, so that's getting done today. It needs all the fluids changed, that's getting done today. So should be a full day of working on the bike and shooting Fat Boy Friday videos. So hopefully I can get 2 or 3 shot today. So then I'll have 2 or 3 weeks worth of Fat Boy Fridays, like all in a row, already done. All I have to do is edit them and get them up there. So stay tuned. All right, guys, it's Saturday morning. Let's get this Jeep out of here and get the motorcycles in here so we can get some work done. Let's roll. All right, guys, I don't know about you, but when I'm working in my garage, I have to clean up from one job before I start another job. I hate like commingling jobs. So when I mean clean up, I mean put up all my tools, sweep out the garage, and then be ready to start fresh and new. So as you can see, I get my tools all put up. I'm gonna get the garage swept out and then get to work on the bikes. Here we go. Almost forgot about the daily vlog, guys. So I spent most of the day shooting a video on how to replace the front fork seal on Angie's bike. And so I've had the bike all apart and put back together, and I've done a lot of video shooting, but none of it was for the daily vlog. So my goal today was to get her front fork seal replaced. I have replaced that. I'm gonna put it all back together. A couple little things that she needs. One, the whole bike needs a bath. I'm the one that likes clean bikes. Angie could care less, but I have to work on the damn things, so I want clean bikes. So anyway, she needs her fluids changed on the bike. I will probably do videos on that tomorrow. Haven't decided whether I'm going to change the oil. The oil's still a little bit from being due, but the other fluids are due, so I will definitely get those changed, give it a bath, and then hopefully Mama Badger's bike will be ready for the winter anyway. And then this spring, of course, I'll put new tires and all on it before we head out of the state again. But anyway, that is what today looked like. Got up, worked out, and came out and spent the day in the garage. Even though it's a different style of work, as you can see, I mean, it was still work. I made videos for our YouTube channel and of course the daily vlog. So I enjoy this work more than I enjoy sitting in front of the computer, though, for sure. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys are having a awesome Sunday, and I hope you get to get out and ride, or if not, at least you get to play with some motorcycles in your garage. Anyway, guys, we will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Well, it's not dark yet. Getting close. Mama's still going at it out here. Hey, what'd that tree ever do to you? So we still got a mow over there. Look at all the limbs Mama's got down. That poor tree has been scalped. Holy shit. Don't let Mama cut your hair. Look at that.
Much better.
Much better, huh? Alright,
So worn out.
I'm going in.
Hey,
I got a video.
you leave me out here.
I still have a video to put together.
I don't care.
I don't care. You don't care when I'm in the garage working on stuff and you're in the house doing whatever, so.
Oops, better watch out.
Goes my truck. Mama loves yard work.